How to fix Roblox clothes not showing in-game. I'm going to show you two fixes. For the first one, you want to open up the Roblox website, click on the three lines in the top left, and then just go into avatar. Once you go into avatar, then you should see this avatar isn't loading correctly, redraw. So you want to click on redraw here. This is just going to verify all of the files here on your avatar, or the clothes. Now, if that doesn't work, then what we can do is to unequip every single piece of clothing here from our avatar, and then you just need to click on it again to re-equip it. And the last fix which I can show you is going to be clicking on the three dots of your browser, going into settings. Here you just want to search for cache, click on delete browsing data, and you want to make sure only cached images and files is selected here from the list. And then you will go and select all time, and you just want to click on delete from this device. It's not going to delete anything important, just cached images, which are going to be temporary files. And afterwards you can go back to your avatar, refresh it. If you need to, you can redraw it, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.